www.gibsontruckworld. Calm 2008 Ford F-250 XLT Quad Cab Power Stroke Diesel with only 31k miles, balance of factory warranty through 6/1/14. MP3 CD player, sliding rear window, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Drive in today and choose from over $7 million in inventory automatic transmission. Gibson Truck World. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for less. Gibson Truck World is nations ahead of the competition. Automatic transmission. Gibson Truck World. An educated consumer is our best customer repair description. 10-mile road test, 135.